它这个声音很有意思。
We had some old ink in there from last build, so it's busy making. As you can see here, it builds layer by layer. I'll just rotate, come from the side for easier to see for people, or not. Crappy video by Lawrence, version 1. You can see here it's making layer by layer. So it's depositive rather than other. And right now we're making a clip for the paper, sorry, for the ink. So this clip will be the one that holds the plastic together. This build should take roughly about 6 minutes because it's quite a small build. You can actually see at the moment we've already gone up about 2 or 3 mil, so it's actually quite fast. And you can see here now we're into a black. So going. 哎，于是你要看一下，他在答应。你看，他在这，看起来。All in all, surprisingly easy. Basically, we just took it out of the box and started printing. Pretty much. We'll have to see what the resolution is like at the moment. It looks pretty good. I mean, this looks quite accurate, so that's good. I didn't do any support or base on this one because I don't think we need it. It's just straight. For larger builds, we would obviously do a base. Anyway, we'll see how it comes out when it's finished. Let's see if I can get it standing up on its own.
资料。它这个打印出来是一个很小的东西。
因为这个很简单，所以我必须去看发挥这个问题。现在我们检讨，你看起来就那么快就好了，就是我们开机就用，就很方便。这是我们的电脑这是从3D， 这个不是3D Max， 这个是可能画了3D 图的3D Max，去 跳，
像音乐一样，
有意思。
跳舞。
这个就是那个模特镜，这个快。他说还有2分钟，35秒，没错。
那这个他打印出来这个东西很小。
打印好了，我们还要等一点时间，因为它是
扣。
不是很重，就是素描干嘛说它？就是把
9分55秒。
100秒。他现在觉得
差点把你